Hi and welcome back to another video on our tax saving series. In today's video, we will understand the different sections under the Income Tax Act through which you can save taxes and what products fall under these sections. I am Russell Miguel, and on this YouTube channel, I speak finance and explain financial products in a very simple manner. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I strongly recommend that you give it a thought. Getting back to this video, let's get started. These are 5 most commonly used sections to save tax. Section 80C includes products such as Employee Provident Fund, Public Provident Fund, Equity Linked Savings Schemes in Mutual Funds, National Pension Scheme, and of course the principal amount of your home loan that you repay, children's fees, etc. Section 80D is nothing but Mediclaim or health insurance. You can claim up to 25,000 for yourself, another 25,000 for your dependent parents. If your parents are senior citizens, you can claim up to 50,000 for them. So that is 25,000 plus 50,000, a total of 75,000. If you also are a senior citizen, then you can claim up to 50,000 for yourself as well. So that's 50,000 for yourself and 50,000 for your parents, a total of rupees 1 lakh under Section 80D. Section 24 allows you to claim interest on home loan taken provided that the property is self-occupied. 80CCD gives you an additional 50,000 over and above the 1.5 lakhs limit that you had on Section 80C. And under Section 80G, you can claim for donations that you make to charitable organizations as per the percentage allowed under income tax. The best option you have is an equity linked savings schemes or ELSS that is offered by an asset management company. It has the least lock-in of only 3 years compared to all other products under the Section 80C bracket. It has the potential to give you higher or even much higher returns when you compare it to other products, and it is tax efficient. So profits that you earn on up to rupees 1 lakh is not taxed when you sell it off in one financial year. It's extremely convenient to invest in equity linked saving schemes as well. If you feel that this video is adding value to you, press the like button. Tax savings fixed deposits offered by banks is another common investment used under the Section 80C bracket. It has a lock-in of 5 years. You get a fixed interest rate for the 5-year period. However, the interest that you earn on this fixed deposit is taxable. Public Provident Fund or PPF is an extremely popular product, especially with investors above the age of 40 to 45 years. This product was earlier only available with certain public sector banks. However, now is also available with private banks as well. It has a lock-in period of 15 years. The interest rate is determined by the central government of India, keeps changing from time to time. The current rate is 7.10% per annum. The interest that you earn on your PPF account is accumulated back into your PPF account and is completely tax-free. As always, I hope this video has added value to you. Do not forget to share this video with your family and friends, somebody that could benefit from it. Have a financially great day today.